Hello, and welcome to today's video on how to use artificial intelligence to create the perfect resume. In today's competitive job market, having a standout resume is essential to catching the eye of potential employers. With the help of AI technology, you can now create a resume that is tailored to your skills and experiences, increasing your chances of landing your dream job. The first step in using AI to create your resume is to choose a reliable AI-powered resume builder. There are many options available online, so be sure to do your research and find one that best suits your needs. These tools use algorithms to analyze your skills, experiences, and job preferences to generate a personalized resume template. Once you have selected a resume builder, the next step is to input your information. This includes your contact information, work experience, education, skills, and any other relevant details. The AI technology will then analyze this information and suggest the best ways to present it on your resume. One of the key benefits of using AI to create your resume is that it can help you tailor your resume to specific job postings. By analyzing job descriptions and keywords, the AI technology can suggest ways to optimize your resume for each position you apply for. This can help you stand out to recruiters and increase your chances of getting noticed. Another advantage of using AI to create your resume is that it can help you identify areas for improvement. The technology can analyze your resume for common mistakes, such as spelling and grammar errors, and suggest ways to improve the overall layout and design. This can help you create a polished and professional resume that will impress potential employers. In addition to helping you create a standout resume, AI technology can also assist you in tracking your job applications and following up with recruiters. Many resume builders offer features that allow you to track the status of your applications, receive notifications when your resume is viewed, and schedule follow-up emails. Using AI to create your resume can give you a competitive edge in today's job market. By leveraging the power of AI technology, you can create a personalized and professional resume that highlights your skills and experiences, increasing your chances of landing your dream job. Thank you for watching. Please visit the Telecommute Village YouTube channel and subscribe to get a free copy of our book, Remote Work Playbook. In addition, leave a comment and we will answer any questions you may have. Thanks for watching.